Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to change the microphone in the old Nokia N91. This is the very fun to do it because this is a very old and legend phone from Nokia. So first of all, we need to unscrew all screws on the back. Anyway, with this diff you can easily change all the elements from the motherboard or see how to disassemble the phone, because we're gonna open and see the motherboard inside. Take the new tool and just okay, we are in. So now we can pull front fascia and phone. Okay, and where is the mic? Search for it. So anyway, the microphone has been here, should be here, but it doesn't. So I need to put the new mic in. Anyway, you can see how to disassemble our phone. This is all the things from the Nokia N91. This is the motherboard with camera and keyboard. He has the back. This is the port jack for the headset. This is the MP3. This is the buzzer. This is the charging port. And here we have a camera. Yep, up. Yeah, this is the Model 2 antenna. Here we have a LCD with the speaker and the flex and all the front fascia. And this is the battery. Very nice to see this old phone with my hands. I hope the video is very helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!